it's Karma. Welcome to my channel, Karma of Ominit. Today we're going to be opening the monthly subscription box of Crystal Council. And Crystal Council is a really unique box. This is my first one, so I'm super excited about it. This box is customized to you. So you actually get a questionnaire from the 1st to the 10th of the month in your email, and you answer certain questions on what you want to work on. And then they send you the box based on your answer. So it's the only customized crystal box that I've seen. It's an amazing idea. This box is not on Cratejoy, so you'll have to actually go to the crystalcouncil.com to order their boxes. When you open up the box, that's what it looks like. You've got the cards on the top. And I'm going to switch the camera view now, so that you'll be able to see the unboxing really clearly. So here's the Crystal Council box, and when we open it up, right here, oops, everything's moving around, sorry about that. You can kind of see what we have here. So it starts out, it says Crystal Council July newsletter. Gives you a little newsletter from them. And then third eye chakra and Tibetan rope incense. I could smell that immediately. So I'm going to put the box over here and we'll look at what's in there. Now each box comes with a scroll. Like I said, it's all customized to you. So when you open the scroll, it is fairly long. You can kind of see there. I can't even get it all on. There we go, on the camera. And so it does have each of the things that are in your box and why they chose it for you and that kind of thing. So as we go through, I'll put some of those in the comments. Looks like a sticker with a dream catcher. Catch your dreams. And here's the teas that they were talking about. It's a third eye chakra tea, and it looks like it's a tea bag, and there are 2 of them. It says third eye chakra tea, the chakra located between the eyebrows, highlights insight, knowledge, and wisdom. Third eye chakra tea is a caffeine-free drink that is crafted from herbs intended to open the third eye energy center and help one with their path to ascension. These tea leaves are grown with sapphire crystals surrounding them as well as in their soil. So that's kind of cool with the sapphires in there. Then we have the Tibetan rope incense, and since I've studied with a Tibetan teacher for a long time, this is some of my favorite incense. And you can just lay it on a plate. I actually have a hanger that has a little hook on it that's a Tibetan incense, and you put this little rope right here, and it has a little loop on the end, and you hook the little loop on the end to the hanger and then light the ends of them. But if you don't have one of those, you can just light it at the bottom here and lay it down in a tray. And some of my very, very favorite scents. It smells so good. The whole box smelled like it when I opened it up. It says, used for centuries to release stress, depression, and tension, this traditional made Tibetan incense is prepared by hand. After a long, hard day, we recommend lighting a rope and placing it on a safe glass plate or incense burner. Let the smoke fill your environment and push away any negative energy that may have come home with you or your crystals. Once in this state, the real work begins. So next we have this beautiful yellow jade. This stone shares most of its energies with green jade. This happens by opening up and unlocking our heart space, which then allows growth to come in. Most of the time, to start your next journey, you must overcome previous obstacles. Yellow jade is a stone that can assist you in overcoming the fears and self-doubts you may have. This will then allow you to grow and transform into a better version of yourself. So next in this little bag, looks like we have a beautiful little carnelian. And Carnelian stimulates the lower three chakras and ignites confidence, passion, and courage over things that are most important to you. Carnelian's motto would be, if there is a will, there is a way. Okay, and so now, oh wow, that's beautiful. So this is a raw garnet. It says we've included a garnet that activates our root chakra, connecting us to the earth. Garnet is a stone filled with love, prosperity, and healing. At first it may look rough around the edges, but after getting to know this piece, you will see the true beauty within it. So I'm so excited for this one. I can see it through the bag already, and it's so beautiful. It's a gorgeous palm stone size. It is Polychrome Jasper. It's a stone that embodies one's true self and helps you channel your energies to the ones closest to you. It facilitates and activates one's inner balance while helping you conform to your current environment. Through this, one can reduce their day-to-day stress and embody the true elements around them. By doing this, one can not only learn much about themselves, but also where it is they want to go. And now, let's see. Another really nice big palm stone. I'm so impressed with how big these stones are and how gorgeous this box is. This is a Smoky Quartz. It activates our sacral and solar plexus chakras, helping us produce and express sexuality, creativity, and our transformative abilities. This stone works to dissolve negativity and power through emotional blockages that are restricting us from being a higher version of ourselves. Smoky Quartz will keep you grounded and centered to Earth's energy while expanding your mental awareness. And we've got one more gorgeous palm stone. It's a flower agate. A flower agate helps one bridge the gap between emotions and reality by activating and connecting our heart and root chakras together. This unique effect can best be felt through deep meditation, with one solely focusing on their emotional body and its current needs. By doing this exercise, one will begin to feel freedom from the deep pain that has attached itself to our hearts and will assist us in looking towards the path of self-betterment. Flower agate's energies resonate with one's core and can help better expose this damaging and sometimes traumatic pain that we still carry. So this is the box for July 2020 for the Crystal Council. It is the Master's Box, which is the $50 box. I think it's amazing and beautiful, and I'm super excited to work with these stones and to also get my next box. I did want to let you know that they did have on my scroll a red jasper, and it was not included in the box, so I did email them, and they're going to send that out to me. So great customer service. As soon as I figured out something was wrong, they were right there to fix it, sent me right back an email and said it would be in the mail. I've really enjoyed my time with you today and hope that you come back and visit us soon.